All right, hello. We are out here in the garden looking at a strawberry flower. It's got a little bit of rain. It's been a beautiful kind of rainy, overcast day. Let's see what's ready to pick out here in the garden today as we take a quick little stroll. Follow along with me and we'll go see. Make our way first down here to the, call it the Rectangle Square Garden. Kind of after Madison Square Garden, but sticks. Here we have some orange blossom tomatoes looking great. Back over on this side, we got some of the red currants are ready to pick. Over to here, we have our San Marzano tomatoes, which we have a good bit. I don't even know, like 8-10 pounds pulled already. I got to make some sauce out of those, but a whole bunch more coming ready. Then down here is, in this side, we have some red Marconi pepper. They're all about nice and ready. That rain looks beautiful on there. Might have to swoop. Oh, there's a little jalapeno parachute. And down there, there's a nice red one. Getting red. There it is. Looking beautiful. Over on that plant, got a couple red. I like to keep some red. One, they taste good, but when you do jarring, pickling them, just makes them look nice, red and green. Have them around the holidays. Corn is pretty much done. I'm just keeping it for decorations at this time. Just one more time here. This is a recycled, upcycled, whatever you want to call it. Used to be a shovel handle. Well, it is a shovel handle. Took off the head, put it onto a T-post, get a little extension. Did that 4 times. As you can see, make a little like safety rail for the corn. So that's what we did there. And coming back to the main tomato bed over here is where we have, once again, more red currants. Picked a whole bunch maybe last week, and they're all just, need a little bit of time to come back, along with the orange blossoms in here. You can see they're growing right alongside, looking really beautiful with the red currant tomatoes. And super happy that they're making their way over the little overpass over their way to this garden, which we'll get to in a second. But even up high, you can see flowers blooming. There's some tomatoes up there, so that'll be neat to see them just kind of hanging over here, hopefully in next week's video. I'm down here, some more red Marconi pepper. We have red Marconi pepper over on the back side of the bed over here, and swoop up this way and see them all. Almost killed myself there tripping over something, but yeah, a whole bunch of these are starting to come nice and ripe. There's our buddy Scolito and Nikolai. Sheik's over there somewhere, but each of these plants has there's 4 in here, has about 10 pretty much at this stage, just about ripe, turning color. And as we go up the plant, you can see they're still flowering, and there's some up here, some younger, so they'll be producing. I grew these last year, and they produced right up until November. Actually, yeah, I think it was the end of November. Then on this side, coming down to the jalapenos, pulled about 15 pounds of jalapenos so far in 2 different pickings. Most recent was a couple days ago, but as you can see, plenty more hanging, and then once again, plenty more young ones. So we're super excited about that. Moving over here, the beans that I never pulled out, and now I'm just going to say to myself, I'm leaving them in there for seed. But in the back, there's San Marzano tomatoes. They're coming nice and ripe. Pulled a whole bunch, like I said earlier. Over here, the volunteer, which means I didn't plant them. They just showed up this year. Yellow currant tomatoes. That's because I grew them in this area last year. And then over here in the Stony Garden area, we see a whole bunch of the marigolds, wildflowers. We got the basil. There's the red Marconi over there. More San Marzano tomatoes. And these guys have been really cool. The bees like these, whatever these flowers are. But more Marconi and jalapeno. We moved our buddy Clem over here, hoping to protect this watermelon, but unfortunately, it's still getting a little chewed up, but it's only just on the outside. I think it'll be fine. We'll see. All right, everybody. That's the garden today on this nice, beautiful overcast day. It's what we needed. Cool temps. Talk to you later. Bye bye.